Compact, sleek, and ready for takeoff, DJI is once again proving why it dominates the sky. The next generation of smart drones is here, and it's called the DJI Neo 2. Leaks and whispers are flying all over the internet, and honestly, it's easy to see why everyone's hyped. DJI seems to have taken everything we loved about its compact drones and supercharged it. The Neo 2 looks like the perfect mix of travel-friendly design and professional-grade performance. It's sharper, smarter, and seriously powerful. With a refined body, upgraded AI-assisted flight, and a beast of a camera, this drone could become the ultimate choice for creators who want cinematic shots without carrying bulky gear. Let's talk about that camera. DJI is rumored to be packing a brand new 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, offering up to 13.5 stops of dynamic range. Translation: brighter skies, richer shadows, and colors that look unbelievably cinematic. You'll be able to shoot 4K at 60 FPS with true HDR, 10-bit color, and even D-Log-M profiles. The same level of control pro filmmakers use for grading. Combine that with DJI's next-level stabilization and horizon balancing, and your footage will look buttery smooth every single time. And the brains behind the beauty, DJI's AI, is also getting a serious boost. Rumors suggest the ActiveTrack 6.0 system, or maybe something even smarter. The drone could automatically follow people, cars, or even pets with pinpoint accuracy. That's a game changer for solo creators, vloggers, or anyone who just wants perfect tracking without touching the controls. Flight time? Expect 20 to 25 minutes, a big step up from the original Neo's 18 minutes, and all of that while still keeping the drone under 250 grams. That means more freedom, fewer restrictions, and total portability, smarter flight modes, better obstacle avoidance, and possibly an 04 transmission system make the Neo 2 not just powerful, but incredibly easy to use. It's shaping up to be the perfect middle ground between DJI's entry-level drones and the premium Mavic series. Compact enough for travel, yet strong enough for cinematic work, that's the Neo 2's sweet spot. But DJI isn't stopping there. The leaks don't end with the Neo 2. The DJI Avata 3 is also creating serious buzz in the FPV world. The new design ditches the bulky bumpers and replaces them with a leaner, more aerodynamic frame. The repositioned battery gives it better balance and agility, while a rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor brings stunning clarity and low-light performance. The Avata 3 might shoot 4K at 120 FPS, deliver up to 30 minutes of flight, and come packed with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. If that's true, FPV filmmaking is about to level up, big time. So what does all this mean? If these rumors hold true, DJI's 2025-2026 lineup could be its boldest ever. The Neo 2 will give creators professional-level control in a portable body, while the Avata 3 will redefine speed, agility, and cinematic freedom. The sky isn't the limit anymore, it's the playground. This is GadgetVerse, your home for everything drones, tech innovation, and future-ready gadgets. If you love seeing where technology is headed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Because trust me, what's coming next is going to fly even higher.